Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Blockfire. Today I'm going to be doing tier 92 results. Alright, the time is 9:30 a.m. Alright, let's begin right now. I've been working so hard yesterday morning all throughout the night. For hours I've been working on this tier. Now, yesterday I went from 6th to 1st, so let's see what place I came in. First place. Yes! Thank you, God. Amen. Oh, let's see what's in the gold pipe right now. Oh, not bad. 3 more of those and it'll be at level 7. That's not bad. Okay, I was gonna tell everyone that unfortunately, yeah, me, 2nd and 3rd place were tied at 113,000, except I had the most 100 points. In the hundreds zone, they call it. So I beat 2nd place by 24 points. Oh no, 23 points. That's so close. And then I beat 3rd place by 500 and looks like 37 points. That's a lot. Alright. Now, I do remember Evo Nissan and my other friend beating me on here. With 111,000, 112,000, but I probably beat, yeah, both of them now. Yeah, by 2,000 and 1,000. Well, less than 1,000. Well, congrats, hey Fendi, and let's go. Great job, rest everyone. Oh, by the way, everyone, this is my score right here. As you can see, some of my high ends are level 7, 3 of them. That's what's amazing. Close to level 8. Well, it just hit level 7. I just hit Kart on level 7. Because I got him so many times from the all clear pipe. It's not even funny. I kept getting him from all the clear pipes big time. So that's a lot of high score that I got right here. 140,000. One of them almost 40,000. Other one's like close to 30,000. Well, close to 35,000. Alright. See the opponents, just see how much they had. I'm gonna do like the top 10 basically. Send greeting points to a friend. Wow. That's cool. The jellyfish parachute. Or the jelly chute. I call it the parachute. Alright, let's see what's in the shop right now this time. Hopefully it's like a high-end ticket or something like that. No, not yet. Well, same thing. I guess same routine, I guess. Alright, let's look at the tier. Wow, 100,000 already. That is so messed up. Wow. That is off with already. Consider the last week, it was like all like 80,000, 170,000. They made it harder for me this time. Alright. Bye everyone. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. And hold your rubies. Enjoy this tour. Bye everyone.